but there are some small downsides that I'm not sure if it's user error or what.
You gonna see fireworks for days. Yo, let me tell you.
Hey, what's up, guys? You already know we out here with the R50. See that, the RH50. I just wanted to give you guys a little update slash review on this kit that I unboxed a few weeks ago. I know you guys remember I unboxed this on Action Camera 16 Essential Kit for the GoPros slash action cameras. Overall, the kit's been working pretty good, but there are some small downsides that I'm not sure if it's user error or what. But for starters, I went through like 2 or 3 of those, guys. That right there broke on both kits. The little clip pieces, you see, let me point it out in specific. That right there, you see that little arched one? That broke. Let's see. This right here, you guys see this? See that right there? That broke. This, you guys remember that? That broke on both kits. Actually, the second one is cracking now. Let me show you. Let's see. Zoom in, zoom in. There you go. You see it? Yup. The second one's cracking. What else? Everything else is working pretty good. The head strap works pretty good. Chest strap works pretty good. I used that all but once. Let me see. I used that all but once. These, obviously. Oh, these right here, I was gonna say, obviously, they work, pretty good because all it is just a little swivel piece. But those ends right there, let me zoom in. You see that end right there? They break. Yup. I've already had 2 of these ends right here break. They'll chip off. The plastic becomes fragile after a while. I'm not sure if it's because of the heat and I'm using it on the rough house between the vibration and just sitting in the sun all day. I'm not sure if that's what causes them to become fragile and break, but a couple of those pieces did break. This works pretty good. I used that once or twice. Obviously, a selfie stick is pretty self-explanatory. The case itself is a really cool case. This locking tool, I know I joked about it being unnecessary, but it really does help lock everything in. I got this here because I wanted to show you guys. You see this? Well, you see this little sticky thing right here? These came with the Activeon Gold Plus camera, right? That came with 3 of them. You know how GoPros come with these little stickies? Well, that Activeon Gold Plus came with 3 of these. Well, 2 out of the 3 already are bad. I used them and they lasted probably maybe 2, maybe 4 days tops until from dropping it, practicing. You remember I was practicing William? Until dropping it so many times caused the whole entire camera to fly off. Yeah, the camera flew off a few times. This is the 3rd one, and this one just flew off today. Yep, it just flew off today, yo. So that's the reason why I have the camera off. I mean, it still goes on, it still sticks. You see it? Look at it. See that? I leave that like that when I want to get a front view. And then if I want to get like an exclusive view of my wheel, you guys notice I've been getting like that really cool wheel shot. So I'll get it like that, you see it? But yeah, so I'm gonna need some more of these stickies if I want to get any farther with this. That's gonna end up coming out eventually. I'm not sure if it's because the heat or the dropping it or whatever. Again, I'm probably gonna need one more of these because this is probably gonna break anytime soon. And other than that, guys, I mean, overall, I'm happy with the kit. The kit works pretty good, especially for the price, for 20 bucks. I mean, you can't beat it. I still got most of the accessories. Another thing I want to mention is this camera right here. Oops, oh, there you go. Prime example. I was trying to show you guys. Wow, that was salty, right? Fail on camera. Well, I was trying to show you guys this. That was super salty. Now you know what I'm talking about, right? But as you can see, that stickiness, I mean, it looks good, but when you're hitting bumps, it really doesn't work. All right, guys. Last thing. These things right here are heavy duty. Yo, when I mean I already had both of them fall off, I say both of them because I don't really have one black one specified for the front or for the back. Whichever one I put in the front ends up for the front that day. So these black ones already fell, yo. And when I mean fell, like I dropped it, they fell, they bounced. And listen, they're heavy duty, man. Like seriously, look at that. Little chips and everything. But they are heavy duty, yo. Like in all actuality, they still work. Nothing's wrong with them. The cameras themselves aren't damaged. Like, I'm happy with them. Like, between that kit and between these cheap cameras, like, the footage is presentable, and I'm happy with the quality I'm getting overall, you know what I mean? This is a great film tool right here. I'm happy to say that this is a film tool when it comes to bike footage, you know what I mean? If I ever need any bike footage and I need to roll and maintain speed next to the bikes, this is the ideal thing to use. You know what I mean? And I'm not sure if y'all see that I took out the mirrors. You see I took out the mirrors? Yeah, I took out the mirrors just to be safe on the face reveal. I got tired of editing out my face, like blurring out my face. So check it out. I took out the mirrors. Plus, when I'm stunting, you feel me? When I'm stunting, in case I fall or something, again, you know what I mean? If I fall, I don't break the mirrors or damage it. You feel me? So yeah, guys. That's a little update on that kit. Again, I would recommend that kit. Maybe it might work better if it's not in the sun every day. Like I said, those pieces probably get fragile because of the heat. But I'm happy. It's about to start raining, y'all. I was outside for a little bit, but I didn't get much wheeling on because it's gonna start raining.
It's 8 o'clock, y'all, and it's raining. Yeah, it's been raining on and off. Really humid day. So I can't really much, man. This sucks. I got like 35 minutes of practicing. But it's cool. I was editing, of course. Wow, look at them clouds, guys. You see that cloud setup right there? Hold on. Whoa, look at these clouds. Tell me this ain't exclusive. You see that? Right behind the city. Anyway, guys, yeah, so I did my edits. You know, I like to take breaks from looking at the edit. You know, walk away so you come back, you see your errors. You know what you did wrong, what you did right. So yeah, taking a break. And yeah, man, tomorrow's 4th of July. By the time you guys are watching this, it's 4th of July. So hope everybody has a safe and happy 4th of July with your friends, family, and loved ones. I'm gonna give you guys a secret tip. You ready? You ready? I'm gonna give you the most cheapest, affordable fireworks show tip in your lifetime. At least if you're from Philly. You ready? You owe me $1 just for this one. You ready? You ready? You about to see the best show of your life. If you from Philly, oh snap, they busting off fireworks. In Philly, they bust off everywhere. So listen, if you're from Philly, tomorrow night, or tonight by the time y'all watching this, 4th of July, they're gonna be busting off all over the city. The trick is, go on your roof, like at 8:30, 9 p.m. Especially if you're in North Philly, like if you're in this neighborhood. Look at that, look at that. If you're in this neighborhood and you're in the heart of the city, go on your roof around 9 p.m. And yo, no matter what angle you look at, 360 degrees all around the city, Fishtown, Northeast Juniata, you know, 5th Street, Indiana, you know, Broad Street area, even around Girard area, even in Jersey, yo, you gonna see fireworks for days. Yo, let me tell you, it's worth it. Go on your roof, like one of these little city roams. Just go on your roof and you're gonna get a free show. Ain't no reason to pay for no crazy show. And if you wanna bust fireworks with your kids, then it's cool, you know, you're doing it for the experience. But if you just want to see a show, you want to go out with your little, you know what I mean, family, or you want to just go with your lady or something, listen, just go on the roof, yo. You got VIP access, yo. Free show on the roof. And it goes off for like literally 2, 3, 4 hours. As long as it ain't raining and drawing on 4th of July. Some 4th of July is rain, but still, people still bust off in the rain because we in Philly, you know what I mean? Philly bust off. Hey, yo, speaking of fireworks, who remember when fireworks was illegal and hard to get? Who remember when you had to knock on somebody's door and like, you know someone to get fireworks? Now you go to Walmart, you go to all these stores, you go everywhere, you go corners, there's people selling fireworks, yo. What's up with that, yo? What happened to the legality of the whole firework game?